Hey, good afternoon. My name is Tim from Montecristo. If you know I'm in Tampa, you know where I'm at. I'm at Corona, Tampa, with the new release of the Montecristo FSG. Montecristo is a world-renowned cigar that just started in 1935 in Cuba. Corona features a wide selection of Montecristo and Romeo and Juliet products. Working with Montecristo has been a dream for me for the last 29 years. It's an unbelievable cigar. With us partnering with Jeff, with the FSG cigar, tobacco, and Montecristo made by Nestor, Plasencia, and it's going to be a winner. Very short release, but an unbelievable taste and great smell. Being here at Corona is like being home. You know, Corona, working with the people, working with the staff, and it's unbelievable. I think that as you will grow and work with Corona and you see the different stores, you'll find that you don't want to smoke anywhere else.